Problem-focused coping is a type of coping strategy where a person deals with stress by trying to solve the problem that is causing it. Instead of avoiding the issue or focusing only on emotions, this approach focuses on taking action to reduce or remove the source of stress. It is often used when people feel they can control the situation or change it in some way. Problem-focused coping can help reduce stress over time because it works to fix the root cause rather than just handling the feelings that come with it. The steps in problem-focused coping usually start with identifying exactly what the problem is. Once the problem is clear, the next step is to think of different ways to solve it. After choosing the best solution, the person takes action to put that plan into motion. The final step is to evaluate whether the plan worked, and if it didn't, try a different solution. These steps help people stay organized and focused when dealing with stress, giving them a clear path forward instead of feeling overwhelmed. Now let's look at some examples. A student who is failing a class might use problem-focused coping by meeting with the teacher, creating a study schedule, and asking for help with homework. Someone who is having trouble with a friend might talk directly to that person to fix the misunderstanding instead of just feeling upset. If a person is stressed about money, they might make a budget or look for a part-time job. These examples show how problem-focused coping involves active steps to solve the problem causing stress. One benefit of problem-focused coping is that it gives people a sense of control over their situation. When someone takes action to fix a problem, they often feel more confident and less helpless. Another benefit is that it can prevent stress from building up over time, since solving the problem means it won't keep causing anxiety. It also teaches useful life skills like planning, decision-making, and communication. Overall, this strategy can lead to long-term solutions and better emotional health. Problem-focused coping is especially effective when the problem is something that can be changed. In situations where action can make a difference, like school, work, or relationships, this type of coping often leads to real improvement. However, it may not work as well in situations that are out of someone's control. Even so, when it can be used, it is one of the most helpful ways to deal with stress because it leads to progress and builds confidence in solving future problems.